everyone, it's Christina from Emotion Designs. We're going to do a quick demo today just showing you how to press the pop-up phone grips. They have an aluminum insert that fits into the top, so we'll press our design on the insert and then I'll show you how to put them all together. Okay, each insert has a protective coating, so you just want to peel that off. Try not to get fingerprints on your blank. I'm going to do something a little different with these. I'm going to actually press 4 of them at the same time. So you want to fit them on your blank. The template that we have in our group files is a little bit bigger than the actual blank, but that gives you a nice little bleed area so that you can line up your blank a little bit better. Okay. Just peel these off.
I was one on every bunch.
Yeah, I started them all a little bit so that I wouldn't have to fuss too much while we're videoing. Okay. Those are not going to move. So we're going to press these at 355 for 45 seconds. And with it being aluminum, we're going to do it a little different. We're going to press it with the aluminum on the top. The aluminum keeps the heat so that it just seems to press a lot better for me anyways. Just need nice paper. And aluminum down. No, sorry. Aluminum up. Transfer down.
You just finished telling us how, and then you did the opposite.
Oh, I know.
Do as you say, not as you do. Is that how this works?
Exactly. Okay, we'll look again. Okay, transfer on the bottom. Aluminum discs on the top.
Okay. I believe you now.
Okay. And 45 seconds. Oh, there we go. We're pressing a lot of stuff today, so.
Yeah, are we ever?
We have a puzzle coming up next, which is going to be really nice. It'll be a surprise for one of our kids. 19 seconds. These are...
Stuff the pop can in.
Stuff the pop can in. I'll show it first. These are the can coolers that we have, and
yeah, really good. That's better.
Yeah, we just pressed that a few minutes ago. So.
Oh yeah, you never did stuff the pop can in.
Yeah, the press called. Okay, so I'm just going to take this off the press. There we go. And I'm not going to burn myself this time. I'm going to use a towel.
You need to get those gloves.
Yes, I do. And then just peel these off one at a time. 2. Oops. These ones are really thin, so it's actually nice. They cool quite fast. Okay. Give them a second.
Still hot?
No.
Really?
There we go. I'll show these all to you up close. I love pressing aluminum. It's one of my favorite things to press. The colors come out beautiful, and yeah. Okay, so here's one. Can you see that, Mike?
Be still. Okay, yeah, that's pretty good.
Okay. And these are all sort of
Okay, be still. Oop.
camping and hunting themed.
Okay.
Got that? Okay. And then just trying to figure out which way it goes.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's pretty cool.
Trying to hold them still so you can focus on them. And this one's cute.
Yep. Okay, over to the, oh, yeah. That's really cool.
Okay. All right. So I'm just going to show you how to put them together. Each one comes with a little 3M sticky, and you're going to peel that off and stick it onto the back of your aluminum disc. If you stick it into the actual blank, it'll be really hard to line it up, so this is the easiest way to put these together. And then you just peel off.
Sure you do.
Peel off the backing. There it goes. Okay, and it'll leave the sticky tape behind. And then you just fit it in there.
And it's there forever.
And it's there.
Don't mess it up.
It's there forever.
It
Yeah.
isn't coming out.
Yeah. So just push that in and then wipe my fingerprints off. Okay, so
Really good.
goes
Down.
like that. Sorry.
Yeah, right there. That's a good
Perfect.
spot.
And it pops up, and these blanks are like repositionable, like that.
Yeah.
Okay. And then they close. And then there's sticky backing to stick it to your phone. So you just peel that off.
And get it right the first time because
Yeah.
you won't get another shot.
Yeah, and stick it on your phone. I'll just put one of the
We
other
speak
ones
from
together.
experience.
Okay. Oh, these are so sticky. Oops, here it was. I was going to do it the wrong way. Look at that. Okay, so you stick it on the back. Like so. And then peel it off. Okay.
Really cool.
That's what that one looks
Okay.
like.
Yep.
You see it?
Really good.
Awesome. So that's it. Yeah. So you press it at 355 for 45 seconds, and yeah, have fun with them. We have these in the group right now available in both white and black. So we have lots available. They're $1.25 each. So yeah, we'll talk to you soon.